Hello YouTube, today I'm going to do a DIY phone case. So basically I'm just going to create a phone case with some paint, marker, paintbrush that I'm using right now, and some whiteout, and over there back in front of the paints, I guess, I'm sorry, stubborn today, I don't know why. It's glue stick. So let's get started. First things first is that you need a duct tape to cover some inside the phone case, so you don't have to feel messy or something, including the camera lens cover. And then get some glue stick. Just a bit. Sorry, my phone. Okay. And go like this. Alright, let that dry for a bit. And then you need a whiteout. Just take some whiteout. Okay, I got it. And paint a little bit like this, up and down. And stop right there. And then the third one, you need a white paint. Just add a little bit of, draw. And light pink. And a dark pink. Pink's my favorite color, it makes me feel confident today. And you start stroking. Like this. Ooh, I like pink. So perfect. I'm a genius. Sorry. First things first, I'm a pink realist. Get it? If you want to do more, you have to do it another one, like how I'm starting right now. If you want more paint, you have to do it like this, like how I'm doing right now. Alright, that's just settle it. So I'm gonna do a back one. I'll be right back. Alright, you gotta need this, this, and this, and this, whiteout, and paints. And you're gonna need a sponge brush like this. Let's make it quick because I'm out of storage page. Run for your life. I'm just joking. Paint for your life. Paint for your life. I have to paint it quick and gentle. Okay, I have to paint it quick. Oh, I don't know how to carry it with my phone, with the camera on. Paint for your life. I'm sounding like Jim Carrey a bit. If you want more extra paint, here, I can show you like this. And you're gonna need a white one. You're gonna need a lot of paints in that. I'm sorry, I had to paint it quick because I'm sick and tired of them keep asking me to delete some of the storage. Keeps bothering me sometimes. Ooh, it looks like Pez. I don't know how to pronounce the medicine name. Kind of looks like a pink medicine name. Pezmo. It's old school way. I don't know how to pronounce it. Kind of looks like a pink medicine, I guess. You have to dab it up in. Alright, once it was dried, okay, this should do it. The light pink way. So I'll see you later. Once that was dry, if you want to dry with this, you need a Mod Podge or a polish like this. And give me a second. We're almost done. Once it was done, we will use a polish and it will go like this. Just a little bit more. I'm sorry, this would took forever. I know, I need to hurry up before we'll stop the video and stuff. Let's do it a little bit more. Alright, that will do. So, once it was done, you need to draw something. My favorite shapes, it would be hearts because it would make me feel lovely. I love hearts so much. Which reminds me, I miss Valentine's Day. Well, I kind of enjoy Valentine's Day, so yeah. You need a color paint to trace out the hearts, and we'll get started. Alright, you need to get a paintbrush, gentle, and then you go like this. It should go like this, or you need a golden marker like this. Or you need a Sharpie like this. Let me just get this quick. And we're almost done. I think we're done enough. And as you can see, I just want to say I'm sorry that I did the cover up that quick because of, you know, the whiteout still here and stuff in the background. So, oops, I missed the spot. So let me get rid of it. And that should just do it. Thank you so much for watching for my first time ever DIY hack and craft stuff. So hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!